Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oats mix. First, select your preferred oats, such as rolled or quick cooking. Next, choose a liquid like water, milk, or a plant-based alternative. Measure 1 part oats to 2 parts liquid for a consistent ratio. Then, gather any desired additions like fruit, nuts, or spices. This simple preparation ensures a delicious and satisfying meal every time. To begin, combine 1 cup of rolled oats with 2 cups of your chosen liquid in a small saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. Allow it to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. The oats will absorb the liquid, becoming thick and creamy. Remove from heat and let it sit for 1 minute before serving. Now for the fun part, customization. After cooking, stir in your favorite toppings. Consider a spoonful of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, or a pinch of cinnamon for warmth. Fresh berries, sliced almonds, or a swirl of peanut butter can elevate your oats. For a protein boost, mix in some chia seeds or a scoop of protein powder. Enjoy experimenting with different combinations. Enjoy your perfectly prepared oats mix. This simple, wholesome meal offers sustained energy and is packed with fiber, supporting your digestive health. It's a fantastic way to start your day, providing essential nutrients to keep you feeling full and focused. Remember, a well-made bowl of oats is not just food, it's a comforting experience. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.